multiple rooms and Inhertiance. We're ready to make our next level, Zombieland, with zombies chasing us. Let's create a new room for the level. Create a new sprite for the background and a sprite for the zombie. Set the new room's depth to 200 to have the same depth as our first room. After that you may design the room as you like. We must go from room 1 to Zombieland when all enemies are killed. That will be the criteria for us to complete level 1. Go to our enemy's object and add a destroy event. A destroy event occurs just before an enemy is removed. When an enemy dies, we want to check how many there are left. We can use the function instance number and use our enemy's object as input. Check if it is equal to 1. Then this code will only happen if this enemy is the last one left. Besides this, we also want to make sure we are in the correct room. We can do that by asking if the room is equal to room 1. As we complete the level, write a short message, then go to Zombieland with the function room go to. Let's test how it works. Instead of completing the first level every single time, we can pull Zombieland to the top of the room list. It makes it easier when testing the new content. Let's create a zombie object with the sprite we have just uploaded. In the create event, we set max hit points and hit points as usual. Our enemy from the first room and our new zombie object have a few things in common. For example, both of them needs a health bar. That could be done by scripts as we have tried before, but we can also make a parent object. In a parent object, you can code events that are used by multiple objects. Objects with a parent are called children. Let's create a parent object for our two types of enemies. Create a new object without sprites and name it oEnemyParent. With the parent button you can add children. Add the first enemy and the zombie. Now we can copy the draw event that displays the health bar from our enemy to the parent. Then the event happens for both child objects. However, it only happens if the child objects do not have a draw events themselves. Therefore, it is important you remove it from the enemy. In our character's bullet, we change the collision from the enemy to the enemy's parent instead. Then the collision applies for both hitting the enemy and the zombie. Place a zombie in the room and let's see. Now it is very easy to add new types of enemies. Next lesson will show you how to make the zombies chase you around the map.